Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here on Margaritaville at Sea Islander, and today we're going to be doing a full room tour of a wake view balcony cabin. So let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, and here's a tour of room 5297. Let's go check it out. Alright, now that I've kicked Lewis out of the room, as we do on these channels, or as we do on these videos, starting from the door, you have your master light switch here. There is no key thing to turn the lights on, so that's good. Starting from the door, painting over to the right here, we have a 3-wide wardrobe. So let's see what we got. Up top we have some extra pillows and some storage. We got hangers with little clippies too. And then all of our bags, plus some extra pillows, because if you know, you know. So on the second one here, we have a whole another set of hangers. And it looks like you can maybe add another bar if you need a hanging area for your pants. But definitely plenty of hangers. Last but not least, here we have our life vest, as well as the safe, and some more places to hang some things. And some storage there. We have a full-length mirror. That's super important. And as we close those, going over this way, let's check out the bathroom. Alright, so here we go. Light switch is on the outside. Beautiful Bohemian blue water here on the floor. I know folks have a lot of opinions about the shower curtain, but it looks relatively new, so, you know, there's that. Pretty decent sized corner shower here. You have your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner on there, as well as your line to hang any wet clothes that you might have. We have some, we're gonna call that a beach scene with some mountains in the background. Okay, well, we have the toilet, we have some toilet paper, we have some towels, we have a little makeup mirror, as well as some cups and plenty of storage. Pretty good size vanity, all things considered. Some more storage on that side, and then the full mirror. Let's see what else we got. The sink, of course. We have some storage that locks, that doesn't go anything, it doesn't go anywhere. And then we have the trash can right there. As we step out of the bathroom, we have 2 hooks on the outside, which look like boat cleats, which is, you know, kind of fun. And then on the back of the door, we have 2 knobs as well. Moving out of the hallway from the bathroom, we have a nice, firm, lovely couch. We have some pool towels, so if you don't return them, you get charged 25 bucks a towel, so don't do that. We've got, let's see, looks like we have a lamp with some USB chargers, so both USB-C and the original USB. There you go. Some storage there too on the nightstand. Nice big comfy bed. We'll have Lewis do a bed softness check there. We have some nice art on the wall. So we got a beach scene. And we got the, I think that's the Margaritaville at Sea logo. I'm not positive. I'll ask Lewis. We have a little coffee table right here. And painting over this way, we have the safety video that everyone has to watch 1,000 times. That's kind of how it goes. Water bucket and some water for purchase. $5 a bottle. It's nuts. It's crazy. But have some storage underneath there. This is where the mini bar is, but it's currently locked, so I don't know what that's about. We'll have to ask our attendant about that later. I have a little stool here with a drawer for some storage, and a drawer with a hair dryer right here, and more drawer space as well. And then we also have a phone and your good old plugins there, as well as a mirror. So there you go. And yes, our luggage is stored under there. So plenty of space there. I'm digging these beach scenes. I always thought those were called parrots were pretty cool. But I think what Lewis is most excited about is what is right outside those curtains. Let's go see. All right guys, now as we peel back the curtains. All right, so you see the flip-flops right there, but we're gonna head outside to our wake view balcony. And here we go. So it did look like you could fit 4 chairs here, so I'll have to have Lewis bring up that image for us. But all in all, there's you know, the Port of Tampa right behind us. Alright y'all, so that was a room tour. Now with that being said, oh gosh, we're gonna be in this, oh, goodness gracious, that door's heavy. Alright, so with that being said, that was a room tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Now, Lewis will give you guys the tips and tricks and quirks and features of this room at the end of our cruise, so hang out with us to the very end of the video so you don't miss out on those things. But overall, it's pretty cool. I'm here for it. So we'll see you guys in a few days where Lewis will tell you what he likes and doesn't like about the room.
So far, things do look pretty nice, but this is just kind of where one of the things I've noticed where they're kind of cutting a little bit of corners. So obviously it was too dark in here. So this is what the original pattern looked like.
Oh, I see.
And they went through and they hacked out every other one. They're trying to open up more light. Now you can kind of see like the ballast and stuff of the fluorescent lights. Same thing here too. That they just drill
cut holes in them.
Yeah. You can kind of see where they took a Dremel to this and melted the plastic and never bothered to clean up all the little dingleberries.
Dingleberries. All right. All right. So Lewis with the hack.
Well, I met the cabin steward. He told me there is no key. They lost the key, and he said if it's stuck like this, you just need to push down on it. And
wow.
So there's our mini fridge.
That's okay. There's nothing in there. Okay.
Yeah, but it looks like it's got a nice big cooler on the back there, metal shelf. I think it'll work.
Considering we didn't bring any beverages with us, we couldn't.
Couldn't bring any beverages.
Yeah, okay.
This is your cruise director Orlando Magic here, and I can tell you that we have an amazing cruise plan.
So they play the overhead things in the rooms now. That's crazy.
We've been on so many cruise ships that you can't hear the things in the cabin. NCL, Royal Caribbean.
That we need to take care of.
Yeah.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
Alright guys, so we are wrapping up our final day here on Margaritaville Seas Islander. So it's actually the morning of disembarkation. We've got about an hour, actually less than an hour, until they kick us out of this room. But we wanted to go over the quirks and features of this room. So number one, I would say, is there's not a ton of outlets in this room. You basically have one US outlet here and one European style outlet here, so bring your adapter and you can have two. Also, each bed lamp does have a USB Type A and a USB Type C outlet as well. Now, as an IT professional, plugging my phone into an unknown USB outlet like that does make me a little nervous. I know quite a bit about data hacking, and I personally would not do that. I'm sure it's probably fine, but I don't want to take the risk. So I found this little nifty gadget online that allows you to plug your USB into this gadget, and it will block any data from passing through from your phone into whatever may be hiding on the other side of that outlet. So if you don't know, USB are basically 4 lines, and you really only need 2 of them to transmit power. The other 2 are for data. So what this does is it only allows the 2 power lines to pass through, and the data lines do not pass through. That way, if someone did tamper with this lamp and put something on the other side of that to collect your data, you won't get hacked. So we'll put a link in the description down below where you can pick one of these up off of Amazon. They're really cheap, really affordable, and one of them can save you a ton of headache. All right, for quirk number 2, we're gonna head on out to the balcony. All right, so here we are on the balcony. I think the pictures online made it look like it was a lot larger than it actually is. There are 4 chairs in the photo online, but only 2 chairs out here. A lot of this can't be used because of the way that the railing slants back. Also, look at all the soot that accumulates back here on the chairs. You wanna get a towel and wipe those off every morning, or else you'll be sitting in that. So quite a bit. All right, I had to move back inside, otherwise the camera's gonna keep fogging up. But definitely also wear your shoes out there, or else the bottoms of your feet will be black from all the soot. There's a ton of it, depending on which way the wind blows. But on the other hand, it is a beautiful place to sit out and watch the sunset, particularly when you're returning from Mexico, because then obviously you're facing west. And keep an eye out in the wake, because we spotted some dolphins right at sunset, and I don't think that's very uncommon. So look at those wake lines, and you may get lucky yourself and see some dolphins playing in the wake.
Right there, right?
Yeah. I think those are dolphins or something. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, they're jumping out of the water. Oh, how awesome. That's crazy. Oh God.
All right, and feature number 3 for this room is, if you don't know, this room is not a suite, but it does come with one sweet perk. And that is that you get access to the Islander dining room. So this is the elevated experience, literally elevated above the main dining room. Comes with a couple different options for dinner that aren't available in the main dining room, as well as everything that is available in the main dining room. So I do think that that is a nice little perk about this room. We paid roughly $100 to upgrade to this room from our standard balcony. And really, I just did it because I like watching the back of the boat, and I thought it sounded like a great deal. not knowing that we got the added perk of eating in the Islander, and I would say that that is a very nice bonus. Really enjoyed eating there. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for us today. Remember, hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Really help us out. Let us know in the comments below. Have you stayed in this room, or what's your favorite room on the Islander? We'd love to hear about that. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. I'm taking the parrots though. I know it's kind of like a thing here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today,
I always thought those macaw parrots were pretty pretty.
Right.
God.
You can step back.
Is this technically cork number 3?
No, this is 2.
That was 1.
The whole thing was 1.
Oh.
Good afternoon. Hello. What's your babe?
Did you pick that up?
Hello.
Okay, we're going to be showing you a full room tour of room 5. All right, YouTube channel. Today we're here on Margaritaville